What's going on, boaters? We are here with the all-new 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Come with me, let's jump inside the boat, and let's pick out some of my favorite features. Let's go. All right, here we are inside the 310. I want to show you some of my favorite features, starting right here in the rear sun pad. As you can tell, it's very disclosed, but with an easy pull, you can have an adjustable backrest. So you can have your knees, legs 90 degrees, or you can be fully lounged out. Let's jump in the boat and look at a few other things. So inside the cockpit of the boat, I'm a big fan of the sunlight, so I really like this little moonroof, sunroof up here. Very easy to adjust, and if you're not like me and you like to stay out of the sun, you've got this extended shade. If you come on in the boat a little more, I'm a huge fan of these, I call them love seats, but you got two of them. You got a captain's and a co-captain's, but if your co-captain wants to kind of help you be the captain, they can come over here and help you drive. If you come a little closer, this boat does have the joystick integration, which makes docking and any tight maneuvering super easy to do. Twin Simrads here. This thing's got two of everything. Two engines, two Simrads, two love seats. And if you come up to the bow of the boat, I'm 6'4", I'm a big guy, and I have a ton of room. So if you like to entertain and you like to fill your boat full of people, this 310 SLX is a perfect day boat for the ultimate entertaining. If you want to come check out this 310 and other Sea Ray models we have, we're right here in Dallas, Texas. We'd love to help you out.